This TikTok Shop affiliate product research method has a winner rate of over 70%. And here's exactly how it works. I'm first going to show you what a winning product is, and then tell you exactly how you can actually find one using very specific softwares and platforms that just reveal everything to you. Let me go over all the different types of products which are out there, and then tell you which are good for you in which case. But for example, if you're a girl, a beauty product makes a lot of sense. If you have skincare problems and you fix them, skincare products make a lot of sense. Right now, supplements are crushing it. Supplements that are health related do extremely well, especially with AI content. Now, you're obviously going to do really well as well if you want to show your face and do UGC content, but supplements are probably the most AI friendly thing you can generally do, because what you need is just a person on stage who says how crazy this supplement works, and that's it. You don't showcase the product itself, and that's why AI works so well here. You don't show the supplement and, oh, look at this supplement. Nobody cares about the supplement. Everybody cares about the result of the supplement, and this is what you can talk about. And that's the reason why AI characters can just speak about it, and it works really well. For example, if you just want to sell a dropshipping product, a regular dropshipping product, AI will not do the best job in making a video which looks like you just filmed it with your iPhone and you're holding the product. It's not going to look the best. However, with a supplement style, it looks insane. The next type of products are beauty products. Beauty products do extremely well, especially if you are a girl and you're down to show your face. It's something which is extremely powerful if you have that advantage. Now, keep in mind, wait another 3 to 6 months, and we're going to have tools like Nano Banana, for example, that will do all of it for you. Nano Banana is this new AI tool from Google that basically can take yourself and just change how you look. Now, at the moment, it's good, but not perfect. So right now, you're not going to be able to fill beauty products if you're a guy. Now, the next type of product is tech products, all right? Tech products actually do very well if you can film them, all right? If you can speak about them, if you basically are down to show your face, tech products do really well, especially in smaller markets. If you live in Germany and you speak German and you want to do tech products in Germany, you will crush. If you already have the skill of organic dropshipping, for example, you can definitely also just do dropshipping types of products. They also work on TikTok Shop, and you can see a bunch of them on Kalo data, like the mini projector or the RC car or things like that. The next crazy good converting niche is skincare. Again, best for girls. And the last one is clothing. Also does really well. Also, it's more UGC content, it's less AI content. If you want to show your face, you want to make sure that you try to find an unfair advantage. If you have a beautiful beard like mine, you can actually start selling beard products. If you have a crazy weight loss transformation, you can sell these patches, for example, to talk about that. Now that we covered the types of products, let me actually go through the main criteria and then also the research method. On Kalo data, the coolest thing about it is you can see everything. You can see how much it converts per million views. You can see which products have a bunch of viral videos, which products are trending right now, all of that. A good product has to convert $20,000 per million views. You have to make sure that that's roughly the ratio in the videos you see. Now, always you're going to see some outlier which went viral for the fully wrong reason and then it converted less. But if you see a video that actually looks good and goes viral for the right reason and it doesn't convert more than 20K per million views, that means that it's the product. So then obviously you shouldn't sell it. The next thing you have to check is obviously the commission rate. You want to make sure that you get as much money as possible for the GMV you generate with the brand. Now, you should be aiming for anywhere between 25 and 40% in commissions. 20% is sometimes acceptable if the product is really good, but overall, this is the rough range I would give you here. In our mentorship program, we, for example, free negotiate brand deals for our clients already.
So on the 100K, because the brand deals your brand offers, I'm literally getting like 50% of it, so 50K.
And we have commissions up to 50%, which is literally unheard of just for people in the pro. Everything above 20% is fine, but you should be aiming for 25 or 30%. Now, one more criteria, which is super important, is how big is the market? For example, for supplements, you can use so many different niches to just promote the same exact product. You can have a supplement which is good for gut health or brain power or this or this or this or that. And there's a bunch of different angles you could target on one simple supplement, which basically covers it all. So make sure you don't start working with a brand which sells a super niche specific problem solving thing, because then you're not going to be able to try different things. And specifically, if you figure out some sort of angle which people haven't heard of, like this brand called Dios, for example, which basically talked a lot about like hormonal balance and women's odor, etc. Because that angle wasn't really used on TikTok, it was super easy to go viral and also convert like crazy with that. This just shows how important it is to actually be able to target different audiences and have a bunch of angles. So make sure you pick a product that actually allows you to do that. One thing I generally like to look for as well is gaps in the market. If you see that conspiracy types of videos do really well.
If you don't feel hungry for breakfast in the morning, that's high cortisol. Do you wake up at 3 a.m. needing to pee? That's high cortisol.
And then basically find a product which would fit this conspiracy angle, but no one ran the conspiracy angle on that product. That's a gap in the market. You know this style of content does really well, no one's doing it, so you can just jump on it and crush and dominate the market because you're the first. If you find a gap, it's so much easier to convert right away. Now, the head coach of our mentorship program, Pepe, he actually used to run Moringa products in the past. And what he did was he just added one twist to it. He basically just took it to the Spanish market as the very first person. Everything was already laid out there. It was super easy to go viral because he already had all the winning concepts from the US. And for some reason, no one had the idea to run it in the Spanish market. So what he did is he just took all the winning concepts, took it to the Spanish market, translated, and crushed instantly and made a bunch of money. So that's a really simple but effective way to instantly start making money with this. All right, so where do you actually search for winning products? One platform that does really well is thedailyvirals.com. I'm not sponsored by anyone, by the way, but we just saw that it's really easy to find winning products on there. You can basically just filter the videos by most viral videos in the last 1 or 3 or 5 days, and then you can just see what's trending right now. The other classic way of doing product research is just making a burner account, only engaging with TikTok Shop videos, and then you're going to start seeing a bunch of TikTok Shop videos, and then you basically can just scroll and find something for yourself. Now, what we do in our mentorship program, though, is we just give you winning products. Now, because we have the overview over so many creators, we know where it is the easiest to go viral fast and which content style does best for which product. The second you join our mentorship program, we just hand you a winning product and also already have your commission pre-negotiated on a higher rate than everyone else in the market. And this is the reason why our students make so much money, especially with AI. There's a lot less room for failure with TikTok Shop affiliate. We are from the world of dropshipping, and we know how much more room for error there is when you have to find a winning product. We have 100% certainty that we have a winning product, and we give you that winning product, and we also then tell you which angles and which video types will do the best. We give you the exact prompts to generate these types of videos with AI, and then you put in the work by posting volume on that, and you start going viral and making money. If you actually are willing to put in the work here, you can click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and we're going to figure out if it were a good fit.